Hi guys, I am really excited to do this video, but also really terrified. I have been planning to make this video for months, but I've just kept putting it off. So as you can tell by the title, today I will be giving myself a gothic makeover. I've always liked the sort of gothic style and gothic stuff and just that whole sort of thing in general. I was a very emo teenager, so yeah, I feel like I have some like gothic elements in my look and some gothic vibes, but I've never gone like all the way with the hair and the makeup. And yes, I will be actually dyeing my hair black, hence why I keep putting this video off. Black is a colour I've always really wanted to try. Like a few years ago I said to my nan that I want to dye my hair black and she was like, no! So I dyed it red instead. I've got like a temporary hair dye anyway. It's supposed to last like 20 washes, and if I really hate it I'm just gonna like strip it out and just put green over the top and just have dark green hair, because that's how it works, right? If you like these kind of videos, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and check out the other one I did where I gave myself a punk transformation, and I will be doing many more in the future as well, so feel free to request a certain style or makeover theme that I could do. Today let's just get straight into this makeover. Fuck me, that's black, isn't it? Should I just keep the green ends? God, this is so like, oh, I'm punk rock now, bitches. Oh my god. I like it. I actually kind of love it. Somehow it makes me look even younger than I already did. I feel really adorable and like cute and like, you know, which is not the purpose of this video. This is just how my hair dries naturally, so I will do my makeup and then straighten my hair afterwards, and I'll put my outfit on and then we'll be done with this transformation. This is just the first step, jeez. Wow.
Cast a spell. I'll push you to the darkness just to pull you to the light. 'Cause I can take away your breath, or I can bring you back to life.
Okay, so this is the makeup done. It took me a long fucking time because I'm terrible at blending out dark colours and I'm terrible at using foundation. So I did two things I never do. No, three things. I never wear false eyelashes. This is the first set I've actually properly put on, and even then they are still wonky and I can feel them on my face. Then the next time you shall see me, I shall be in my outfit and have completed the transformation. Cute, awesome transformation that I would include if I knew how, but I don't, so. Okay guys, so that is my goth transformation completed. This has literally taken up my entire freaking day, from dyeing my hair to putting on these freaking false lashes, which are wonky, and overall I have had a lot of fun and I do really like this final look. This is a bit messy. It's just random things I just threw together from like eBay. Let me know what you guys think of this final outcome in the comments. Give me a rating out of 10 for my achievement. or failure, depending on your opinion. That's how that works. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I need to go take these false lashes off. Oh my goodness. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it, and check out my previous videos. This makes me want to do all this. Anyway, yes. So, okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching! Bye!